hello to all the lovely people here on YouTube watching my video. I thought I would try and keep Apani from climbing on the camera and just do a little bit of a video where you can see him, because he just shed, and you'll see the shed sitting in my hand. He'd kind of worked it down a third of his body, I would guess, and I just kind of went in and I helped him out a little bit, just by holding on to it for him, and I'm trying to get a little bit of a focus, which I can't at the moment. Apani, you're so making this go out of focus, dude. And I really want to show you off, if I can, and see that full face before you start moving. You know, honestly, look at that. Just look at that. It is just incredible. Those iridescence that Apani has under the light. And of course, there is his shed. You got out of that pretty easy with Mum helping you tonight, didn't you? You're like, hey, I've got heaps of energy left to have a play and a roam around with you, because Mum, you helped me get all that shed off. Hey, easy breezy, wasn't it? With Mum helping. He hardly moved. I mean, I held it and he just literally arched he didn't have to move because he was arching to remove that skin. I was just once again having a giggle with my snakes, which I often do, honestly. I really do. You're going to fall. And what was I saying about focus? You know, when you have snakes that do not stay still under any circumstances, and just are active, and Apani really wants to go up onto my glasses and my head, and he is determined to make his way there. And I'm not, Mum is not looking the best to where I can physically turn the camera around, dude. I mean, I'm in my PJs and I will turn it around. Excuse me while I take a few seconds to do that. But you know, I just had my shower. I can get rid of this shed now, and instead I can have a snake and a tail thing hanging off me. But I've just had my shower to get ready to go to bed. Well, not go to bed, but to chill out and relax and catch up on a few, I can't even, you could suffocate me through my nose, but that's about it, Apani. And now you're going to take my glasses off. Like, I can't see without my glasses, dude. Don't you know that? Okay. Another one of those videos where all you see is a snake climbing on my head and my glasses, and as you can see, again, Apani is way too big to be doing this with me, but he tries, like, and he's so determined to do so, and I give in, don't I? I give in and I let you do what it is that you want to do, and it's very uncomfortable, I must say. So I just wanted to show you Apani. Oh yes, I think I did say it. See my memory. But at least he is in focus now, and you can see just how beautiful he is looking. But a short video with Apani. Don't fall off my arm. Don't. Right, go that way. Oh yeah, right. Straight, trying to go back over my head, Fred. No, Apani's is his name. Not Fred, Apani. But, anyway guys, I got your tail. So I got your tail. So you can't really go anywhere except wherever you are right now. And don't go trying to climb into the bird cage, because you would certainly, he would fit. And I'm turning around the wrong way with the bright lights and anyway, short video guys, just to of course show you this beautiful boy hanging out with me before I go to bed. Aren't you? Hey, if you can see him there. So guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, your beautiful snakes. Take care of all your animals. I'll try and get a close up for you of his face. If he will stop moving. No, he won't stop moving. Ciao.